everybody! Today we're talking about Content Marketing Fantasyland. Yeah! So, once upon a time, when you first heard about content marketing, it probably made a lot of sense to you. Like, oh, if I create a bunch of really great content, then people will know, like, and trust me. They will come and buy stuff from me. I can charge higher prices and I can just be cool. It'll be amazing. And I don't have to like sell people or, call them. Cold calling is dead. And this will be so fantastic because all I have to do is create content and everyone will come. But friends, that is Content Marketing Fantasyland. That is what we are talking about today. Today, I'm going to be covering some content marketing myths. So Content Marketing Fantasyland does exist. Hey, Jenny. It does exist, and you can be there. I live there. I love visiting Content Marketing Fantasyland. That's what I'm doing right now with this content. But it might not be as magical and easy and amazing as a lot of people may think. And so that's what we're doing today. We are busting content marketing myths. Hey, Meg, how's it going? Meg has a huge speaking engagement tomorrow, and I'm hoping in my private Traffic and Leads membership group, she will be presenting that today. If you guys want to hear Meg give an amazing presentation on digital or social media, you should totally join my Traffic and Leads membership group. Do you see how I seeded that? Yeah, but that's not what we're talking about today. I know I'm an hour late, but I was actually, funny story, I actually had to give a training to a mastermind group of an acquaintance of mine on smart speaker marketing. Yeah! Smart speakers, where is it at? Are you ready? I know this is off topic, but I'm still going to talk about it. Are you ready for this? Ready? Alexa, play the news.
Here's your flash briefing. From One Click Lindsay at Traffic and Leads.
That's me.
Here's your digital marketing morsel. Have you been dreaming of going to...
Stop. Good dog. Good dog, Alexa. I know. Sometimes she can be so naughty and not listen to me. Why am I showing you that? Because tomorrow, friends, tomorrow at noon, I'm giving an encore presentation of my smart speaker marketing webinar. So if you don't know what smart speakers are, you don't own one, you hate them, you can't ignore them because they're going to be a really important part of your digital marketing tool belt. It's coming. And so, like I said, if you hate them or like them, I don't care, but you guys need to know where your competitors are going to be. So go get signed up for that webinar and Emily, if you're listening, type this in, smartspeakerwebinar.com/FB Live for Facebook Live. Okay, that's tomorrow at noon. Hello, Jill. Hello, Sally. Hey, Glenn. Glenn has a baby coming. I'm wishing you and your wife the best of luck. It is so much fun to have a new baby. I love babies. Okay, enough of that. Enough commercials. Let's get to Content Marketing Fantasyland. If you know what I'm talking about when I say Content Marketing Fantasyland, and maybe you have dipped your toe and tried to find the map to Content Marketing Fantasyland that will bring all of the customers and they will want to pay you tons and tons of money because they know, like, and trust you, all because you wrote an amazing blog post. Can you give me a thumbs up or something? That would be pretty awesome because we all know content marketing. Now, maybe we don't know. That's what I'm here to dispel today, is maybe Content Marketing Fantasyland isn't quite the Fantasyland that we all thought. So thank you, Meg. Wow, I should pay Meg. You know what I mean? Okay, my lists are in along with the recordings. Wahoo. Yeah. Yes, you guys know what I mean. So number one, content marketing myth bust. When you live in Content Marketing Fantasyland, just writing blog posts is not enough. Not today, not these days, with video and with live streaming or with audio or with Alexa flash briefings, if you know what I mean. It is not enough. People just reading will not fall in love with you. I'm afraid you guys are going to have to do your hair every once in a while and start being on video, or at a minimum, if you don't want to do your hair, right? Maybe you don't have hair like Ian, my producer. Sorry, babe. Then you can do audio. But in order to build that know, like, and trust factor to live in Content Marketing Fantasyland, I'm sorry, but I have to hear your voice because it just amplifies the power of good content. Let's see. Meg, you're too good. Here it is again. Oh, yeah, Emily, you're fired. Meg is hired. I'm just kidding. Okay. Thank you, Meg. Next. Content marketing is so easy. No, it's not. Sorry, nothing in digital marketing. If you've heard me for long, you know that nothing in digital marketing is ever easy. And to do it, you have to do it consistently, and you have to do it creatively, and you have to do it entertainingly, which may not be a word, but I'm going to use it anyway. You have to put effort into it. A blog post and praying and hoping that people will read a 500-word blog post on a dry topic without an interesting angle is not going to bring you more customers. I'm sorry, but you have to make it entertaining, especially today. Like, do you like my new colored background? It's to entertain you. Do you know what I mean? I speak like this and I jump up and down about content marketing to freaking entertain you so you will stay tuned and listen to my message. Where if I'm just monotone and this is Content Marketing Fantasyland and this is just, like, you guys would get super bored. Okay, so I drink my coffee before I come online. The more you do, yes, Glenn is absolutely right. The more you do, the better it is. So, and I will just speak to that. In November, I was live every single day, right? And then I stopped because I had a huge influx of customers and I had just had this challenge to myself that I was going to go live every single day. And then I stopped and I was like, I'm going to go live 2 days a week. And Glenn's exactly right. I'm like, for 2 days, what am I going to talk about? I feel so uninspired. I feel so unmotivated. So yeah, even I get that way. And I do this crap all the time. And so now I'm just back to doing 4 days a week. So I'll see you at 9 o'clock Monday through Thursday every single day because it helps me get more focused. It brings in more customers and it just helps with the relationships. What's next? The customers will come a-running. We already kind of talked about this. In Content Marketing Fantasyland, there are customers, lots of customers. In fact, I'm choking on customers, just kidding. My best customers, literally, before I started doing Facebook Lives, they actually come from my Facebook Lives now, but my better customers were actually coming from my podcast. The perfect content marketing, okay, is you're out there on a podcast, you put it out all the time. I literally have people who listen to my podcast that I have never spoke to, that they email me, hey, I'm ready to get started. What are the options? I send them the packages and an invoice is paid without them even talking to me because they feel like they know me. But friends, like, this doesn't happen a ton, but they are high quality customers. The point is you have to be consistent and you have to the customers will come, but you have to be totally consistent and like they're not going to come flooding in. I mean, I'm One Click Lindsay. I tell you how it is. It's not like you're going to do a few Facebook Lives and have an influx of customers. I'm sorry. It just doesn't work that way. Next, not quick results and how you gauge results of content marketing. I highly recommend that you do not start gauging your content. Oh, look at that. I have a freaking hole in my favorite shirt. Oh, that sucks. Okay. I love this shirt. Oh, my heart. Okay. Sorry. Where was I? When you are tracking your results for, I'm so upset about my shirt. When you're tracking results for content marketing, yes, you want sales, but I recommend looking more at the results at the top of the funnel initially. So how many people are engaging? How many people are getting on your email list? What topics have you covered in your content marketing that get the most haha, like, yeah, I love you, right? Like yesterday's topic, when I talked about your irresistible offer totally might suck. I can't tell you how many conversations, PMs, and phone calls I have had literally from people being like, yeah, my IO does suck, like you said in that video yesterday. So you bet your bottom dollar I'll be doing another one like that. I just heard it on a mastermind call today. This gentleman was like, just like One Click said, my IO sucks, please help. So that is a hot topic. And you can also go into your Facebook and see which ones are causing the best. So it may not be like I did a video, out comes the sales, but you kind of want to watch the metrics up higher in the funnel. Meg, totally sucks. Okay, LOL, maybe you get a new one for the holiday. I know, except for Sally, I bought this shirt like 10 years ago. And you go try to find a nice, anyway, it doesn't matter. You guys don't care about my wardrobe choices for some reason. Okay, and finally, because I've kept you guys for 10 minutes, I try not to keep you much longer than that. Tons of ordinary content is enough. Friends, you can't just be feeding people what they've already heard, or I kind of covered this yesterday, what they've already seen on Google, and you have to have an interesting take, or you have to make it more interesting, or you have to pull people in somehow. And I get, like, not all of you are the type of person that will come and jump up and down. I totally get that. But there has to be some uniqueness to your content, and you can be totally professional and make content marketing work for you. You can do this B2B, you can do this B2C, it doesn't matter, but it has to be something unique. And that's from both a Google perspective, right? For Google to start ranking your keywords and using those long tail keywords I've talked about before, and just for people wanting to tune in again and to listen to everything you have to say. That you guys know this. There is so much freaking content out there. You just have to figure out a way to make it your own flavor in order for content marketing to work. I want you all to join me in Content Marketing Fantasyland. It does exist. It's not as perhaps magical and shiny, right, as you might have heard, but it is my favorite kind of digital marketing. I get my best customers from it. And as Glenn said, the more you do it, the more you will definitely be able to flow with it and get more customers. Okay? All right. So let's see. Tomorrow, I will not be live because it's Friday. Okay, but at noon Pacific Standard Time, if you go to smartspeakerwebinar.com/FB Live, I will be back here at noon giving you a presentation on the Alexa device, because Christmas is coming and like everyone's going to get an Alexa for Christmas. I heard or read or heard a stat that on Black Friday, the Alexa Dot was the highest or the most bought item. So again, I don't care if you like Alexa or you think it's listening to you or you don't use it. Let me tell you a secret. Here you go. Your customers are using it. Okay. Or your potential customers, I guess. All right. Until tomorrow, I guess that's it. Make sure you go to trafficandleadsmembership.com. Get signed up for $99. I will help you with all of your digital marketing issues. You can ask us any questions. I will give you a direction. We do special trainings. You can talk to me all the time. And I can help you with your digital marketing. It's much less expensive than just hiring us, which can be over $150 a month. Instead, you pay $99, you get access to me and my team, and it's a done with you. Okay, not done for you, but done with you. It's the best deal you'll ever get. Trafficandleadsmembership.com. Okay, till tomorrow at noon, put it on your calendar. Don't miss it, and I'll see you guys later.